This is what happens when you do not know how to fly a helicopter.
Hi. Hey, buddy. Why are you sitting out doing like that?
Because he crashes it out of nowhere while he's flying it. You're not supposed to do that. If you want it to go down, just land it, make it go down. But then fly it levelly and then let it touch the ground.
Look at Haley.
So let's watch. See, he's trying to fly it in his hands. Put it on the contracts 1 through 10. How dumb that is. Look at this. Just look. He's trying to fly it in his hands.
Stop. Hold on. Stop. Yeah, kind of thing. Look.
Have you uploaded Psychos yourself? And now he's flying it to the house. How dumb is that? He's going to wreck it on the house, I bet you. Oh, that was so close. It was about an inch away from the house. He's lucky. Yeah, he is. Because then you have to pay him how much that costs, which is $50. Now they're trying to fly it on the power line. What kind of dummies is this?
Ain't no damn dummy like you.
Yes, sure is. Y'all sitting there trying to hit the power out. We'll see. He was the one held back. No. Let's watch this. See, let's watch this. He's gonna pop.
He's got to go to high school. Fly.
I'll pass.
He's got to go to summer school.
Guess how good my reading is now.
How much?
7th grade.
Jesus.
And my math is in 10th. Whoa, look at this. That's dumb. This is the dumbest flyer I have ever seen. And look, he's trying to throw it before he can fly it. And look, it didn't even make it a foot.
Oh.
That's bad when y'all make the baby run away. But this one, and he got cut.
Retard Central. 101.
Dun, 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 dun. Illuminati. There's the Illuminati.
Bree.
Ew, they have talking about balls. Oh, they killed the coconut. No. It was from the jungle. Hey, I'll kill you.
I didn't do this.
And now he's about to run into a tree. We'll see this. We got to see this.
Now, fly.
Oh, he hit a branch and he died. And she's laughing about it.
I'm doing that so I don't get hit.
And she has a multiple Illuminatis on. Illuminati.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Illuminati.
That too. You can play with one of them.
They don't even know how to drive because you're supposed to keep driving when you're on a helicopter. And look, he's trying to fly it in his hands again.
No, he's trying. Go out in the ocean.
And now they're trying to make it go to that crab hole.
There.
Now wow. Look at this.
Turn off.
Where's the H place at? Oh, jump. Where's the H place at? Where's the H? It's supposed to be on concrete, not on grass. There it goes. It's going to the sinkhole. And it crashed. Didn't even make it 2 yards. And they killed the people that went with this. They broke their necks. Look, they're going to the sinkhole. Don't go over. Because that right there and that right there, they sink sinkholes. If you go to it.
Bro, they almost got caught in the tree.
They over there, hillbillies trying to put stuff in a tree.
Sub for more people.
Subscribe for more of this after this video is over.
Yeah,
Which is probably about to be.
It's just looking at the tree. It's not even looking.
It's probably. It's probably about. This video is probably about to be over because there's a storm coming. You'll see. Let's go back to the hillbillies. Look at this. Look, they're just throwing it in the air. And look, they have a pistol. It's real.
No, it's fake.
Look at this. Real pistol. Oh my God!
And that's why I keep a younger one.
Too violence. I got hit in the head. Too violence. Okay, it's back to normal. They killed the helicopter after it hit my head. It was going around in circles like it was on fire and it blew up. Basically. Dang! It went sideways and blew up. And she's trying to hit people with the yo-yo.
I'm trying to catch it. It's like a shield.
Well, she's...
I'm
I'm not shooting my brother! He's talking about... one of these hillbillies talking about, I need to shoot my brother. Shoot my brother's helicopter while it's flying. See, that's what you get. You got hit in the leg by a helicopter.
Oh shoot! I literally stepped on a spider.
She stepped on the spider. Spider. She's out of the video.
Where is it?
Look, they had to stop flying a helicopter to look at a stupid spider.
Because it bit.
How dumb is that? Is that
How
dumb?
dumb is this?
Oh, she got hit. This is a... Ah! It stung me. Where's it at? Yeah, I took the stinger out my neck, though.
Do it for the likes, bro.
Oh, the battery went dead. That's a good thing. Look at them. They having a commotion over there with cactuses.
Cactuses.
I know I spelled that wrong because it's dumb. They're going to put themselves. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's trying so hard, but it's... He tries so hard, but he doesn't succeed. Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more of the hillbillies driving the helicopter.
Hey, I'll see y'all tomorrow.